Hey guys.
Welcome to a programming thing that I have been using for like a week. No, not even a week, like 3 days. And I'm already, I don't know, like beginner's good. I don't know, a beginner standard of good. So I'm going to give you an introduction of what it is and then how you can install it and stuff like that. And then like maybe a basic thing if I have time, but yes, okay, right, so go away. Okay, so basically, it's called Processing, made by a dude called Daniel, well, not made by him, but he is one of the creators, called Daniel Schiffman. He's got a YouTube channel, he does tutorials on processing and general programming tutorials. Right, so if you search, like, processing, I spell good, that's still processing. I hope I actually recorded it. Yeah, okay, this is good, okay, so basically, search this, and you got to go, processing, just search that, I don't know, and then it should be this, the first one that comes up, yes, so this is it, and this is the dude, working with processing, that's the dude, that, you've just look at his channel, he does a better description of what this is. So if you wanted to download this and have a go, you just click download. You don't have to donate. You don't have to donate to download. You can just, like, I don't know. Oh, we've got P5JS as well. This is another type of thing, and this Python processing. I want that. Anyway, so back to the topic. If I go back to the search of processing, and I go to download processing, oh, wrong one. If I go to the other download processing, it should come up with this. And I recommend downloading whichever one you're on. So if you're on Mac, just download the Mac. If you're on Linux, 64 or 32, either one which you want. And if you're on Windows, 32 or 64. I think I use 64, but I might be using 32, I'm not sure. Not sure how to tell. But yeah, so you just click on that, and it downloads. I'm not going to do it because I've already got it, but if you click on that, it downloads. And, well, that's what it's going to do. And then when you first load it up, this will come up. And it's basically programming. So you can type in, go away, Bitfender, go away. Yeah, so you can type in stuff. I'm just going to draw a line. Yeah, I'm not actually sure what else to do. So, first you're gonna make a thing. So if you do size, and then a bracket, and then the size you want for your, like, I don't know, like full screen mobile. I don't know. So the size you want for your screen you're going to use. So I go normally 640 by 360. I use that, and then you always put a semicolon at the end, and then that, if you run that, which is the play button, you should get this, which is basically 640 by 360 pixels. Sorry for the squeaky chair, by the way. So yeah, so now I have this. Now if I wanted to do a background colour, I could do background and then a bracket, because that's what you do. You always put it in brackets. Right, so you have basically, you had red, this is not what you do by the way, I'm just showing, a green and a blue, oh no dots, and a blue. Those are comments by the way, not dots. And then you do that, but you don't put RGB, you put a number of red, so the maximum number is 255. But if you just do this, this is just white, and if you put a 0, that's just black. But if you want like blue, let's say blue, but no red, no green, all blue. And then that should be blue. Yeah, there we go, that's blue. Now if you wanted to draw a line, you'd have to do a line, and then you'd have to do where you'd want the line to go. So say, oh yeah, before you do this, if you wanted to make it into a colour, you just do stroke, that's the colour of the line, and then you do colour. I'm gonna make it red, so full red, no anything else and no anything else, and then a semicolon. And then you do the line from, I'm just going to do this for an example, but you can do it from anywhere on the side of the screen. So 0, 0, which is the top left corner of the screen, to 646, no, not 6, 320, no, 3, yeah, no, yeah, 360. And that is from the top left to the bottom right. And it should have a red line from the top left of the screen to the bottom right. Yes. And I'm not sure if this works, but if you put size and then like put 10, I'm not sure if this works. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Yes, this doesn't work. Oh great. Oh, okay. Thought I just broke it. Anyway, so don't do that. So that's how you draw a line. That's the basic drawing a line, and that's the basic drawing things. Now, say you wanted it to like separate the size. Separate the size. I'm not sure why you do that, but you can have a void, a setup. The void is just the name it's called. They add. When you do this, and then you do a curly bracket, and then you put the size in that. Because this isn't a loop. If this was a loop, then it would continuously draw a size. And then you can do void draw, and then the same thing with a curly bracket. And at the end, you have to have the end of the curly bracket. So basically now this is looping, the void draw is looping, and the void setup is just one thing, it sets it up and then it loops the draw function. Yeah, so now that should be not making the same thing over and over again. Now if you wanted to make like an imprint of the previous line, say you like moved it, so if you put like mouse X and mouse Y, this would make it follow where the mouse is going. And say you wanted to keep where the mouse is going, right, let me just show you this. So this is following the mouse. So it could be like that, but then I could like move it about and it would shake the booty. Anyway, no, that's off topic. So say you wanted it to like imprint, you'd have to move this into the setup, because that only happens once, and then it does not clear. It does not clear it. So now it should be printing the red lines. If you wanted to clear it, you'd have to just change it. I think there's another way to do it, but that's for a different person, and I'm not doing that. This is just an introduction. So I think I'm going to end this now, before it gets too long.
And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!